Lifestyle of Ranbir Kapoor. Bollywood's heartthrob Ranbir Kapoor leads a luxurious and carefree life. Let's have a look on his life. Real name. Ranbir's real name is Ranbir Raj Kapoor. Nickname. Ranbir is really called Dabbu by his mom and his friends calls him Gangru. Born. Ranbir was born in the year of 1982, 28 September. Hometown. He was born and brought up in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Father. Ranbir has lost his father very recently. He is none other than Rishi Kapoor. Mother. Ranbir's mother is famous actress Neetu Kapoor. Sister. Ranbir's sister is Riddhima Kapoor Sahni, who is 3 years elder to him. Family. Ranbir belongs to the Kapoor family of Bollywood. Grandfather. His grandfather was a great actor, late Raj Kapoor. Cousins. Ranbir shares a great friendship with his two cousin sisters Karishma and Kareena. Education. Ranbir finished his schooling from Bombay Scottish School, Mumbai. After that, he completed his bachelor's from HR College of Commerce and Economics, India. Then Ranbir went to New York and studied visual arts and finished his film studies from Lee Strasberg Theatre and Film Institute. Career. Ranbir started his Bollywood career as an assistant director. He assisted Sanjay Leela Bhansali and his father Rishi Kapoor for the film Black and Aa Ab Laut Chale, respectively. After that, he started his acting career as male lead in Saawariya with another star kid, Sonam Kapoor. This versatile actor has already proved his acting skill and did many projects with renowned filmmakers in Bollywood. Ranbir also produced his own film Jagga Jasoos. Awards. He received 4 Filmfare Awards for Best Actor category from his first film Saawariya to Sanju in 2019. Tattoo. He got 2 tattoos. One is on his right wrist inked Awara in Hindi and second one on his right palm it shows a black small cross. Love life. Ranbir is famous for his controversial love life. For his edgy behavior, he is tagged Romeo of Bollywood. He was in relationship with Imran Khan's present wife Avantika when Ranbir had not appeared in Bollywood. He has many rumored girlfriends. Before Sonam Kapoor, Ranbir was involved with Sanjay Kapoor's previous wife Nandita Mehtani. After Sonam, Ranbir's name was involved with Deepika Padukone, Anushka Sharma and even with Katrina Kaif. Now he is dating with Alia Bhatt. Rumor is that they are engaged and will tie knot very soon. Charge. Ranbir charges 20 crore for one film, but apart from films, he earns much more from brand promotions. For one brand promotion, he takes 15 crore. Net worth. This leading superstar has a huge net worth and that is 320 crore. Car collection. This actor is pure car lover and collects luxurious cars. He owns Audi A8 and Audi R8, Range Rover Sport, Mercedes-Benz G63. Bike collection. Ranbir is very passionate about bikes. Knowing this fact, Sanjay Dutt himself gifted him a Harley Davidson on his 30th birthday. House. Ranbir bought his new apartment in Pali Hill at 35 crore and named it Vastu. The flat was designed by Gauri Khan. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.